Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today I will be showing you how to make this great recipe for date squares. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. This is a well-liked recipe and it's very easy to make, so there's a few simple ingredients to get ready and then let's get right to it. First we'll start by making the oatmeal crumble part of the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of butter. Next, 1 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now 1½ cups of flour. Then I turn on the mixer and mix it until it's really well combined. Then stop the mixer and add 1½ cups of rolled oats. Then turn on the mixer and mix that until that's really well combined. Then I take and pour about half of the crumbly mixture into a lightly greased 8 by 8" pan. Then using your fingers, pat that down until it's nice and smooth and even. Next, we'll be making the date filling. And once you have all your ingredients together, you'll take out a large saucepan and add 1 cup of water. And add 2 generous cups of dates. Now 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 3/4 cup of sugar. Then turn your heat on to high to get that started, and once it starts to cook, turn it down to a medium heat to let it boil and simmer like this until it turns into a thick paste. Then I take it and plop it into the blender and I puree it. This makes the date filling a really nice smooth texture, and you don't end up with clumps or lumps from the whole dates. And you also don't have to chop them ahead of time. Now take the pureed dates and spoon them onto the crumbly mixture in the base of your pan. And using your large spoon, just take and spread the date mixture out evenly like this, getting it well into the corners. And then of course take the crumbly mixture that's left, the other half, and then just crumble it on top like this, making sure it's all even and spread out to the edges. And then you take and you place it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. It's a little hard to tell when it's done because it will brown on the bottom before you'll see it even brown on top, and it shouldn't really be brown very much on top, just lightly golden. Now with these squares, I look forward to eating the crumbly mixture as much as I do the date filling. It is so good. These squares are actually quite healthy for you. They're very high in fiber. Now thanks so much for watching Best Recipes with Sharon. And until next time, happy eating.